I've been working on this one since all of the issues with the others. I figured I'm not getting anywhere very fast with that, so I jumped over to trying to get PancakeSwap to work. So I managed to get all the front end done, just downloaded it all, and so it's on the local host, and this is basically just pulled straight from, where was it? Pulled from Frontend, which has the farms, the pools, this one, lottery and profiles. And if you look on here, farms, pools, lotteries, IFO, and guessing somewhere else is profiles, but I haven't got to profiles just yet. Kind of like it because you can see in the code, you can see a lot of basically the stuff that we've been working on. Just a second, I have to get there for you. So I tried to do a hard hat. We could do this first. So I tried to do the hard hat. I've got the master chef in there as a hard hat. It's just not, there's one more step and one more issue apparently. So I just gave up on that one, and then I thought I'd be able to just quickly do the master chef one in here, but I'm having a problem with that one too at the moment, so I don't know why. It's not liking the compiler. Does it say deployed blah blah blah? It doesn't like master chef, invalid number of parameters. I don't know why. I don't know what that is, whether you do or not. But this whole thing is, so that's the back. This is the front end. If you go into the front end screen, config, constants, farms, you can see all of the PIDs, all of the farming pools, and then you've got another one to do as well, which is the pools. And then if you go contracts, you can see all the different contracts that it's attached to. So you can see Easter NFT, cake. I haven't got to these yet. Trading competition. I did deploy the lottery one. I did that one quite simply. That was quite a straightforward setup. I found that one and did that one. I did this one in Remix. So I did this and this in Remix. Was fine, just to get it connected and see if there was any problems straight off the cuff. It obviously wasn't. So now I did a truffle init to initiate like a truffle, brand new truffle package, and created the master chef soul. Then created the second deployment contract JavaScript with the master chef there. And one would think that that is correct, but it gives off that error. So that's where I'm at with that. But basically you can just see the different contracts that you can run. So the lottery one is this one. I've just deployed, I'm ready to deploy. I've just run the test to make sure it all works, and it gave a full working, so it's fine. So then you can just basically put the contract address for the lottery of your own contract, and in the files that I was showing you earlier, here. Put your own lottery contract address for each network, the sous chef, the master chef, and the others. And I've found most of these so far quite easy to just, find and get from these, obviously from these straight contract address. Just go in and get it. I haven't found anywhere that's provided them all as a one-shot, sort of one location. I can't find the PancakeSwap master chef contract anywhere on their libraries. But really, it is kind of, I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, and it gives you so much more, I think, than the other ones that we've been mucking around with. Gives you a lot more. Gives you the quick access to all of these farms. You can obviously swap all of this out and do what you want. You you can basically get to write all of this yourself, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool stuff. Anyway, yeah, interesting, eh? Hard hat is good. Definitely would be good if you're somehow converting the Master Chef for PancakeSwap into hard hat. I'd certainly be interested to, I don't know, gain some of your knowledge from that, because like I said, I'm doing it in hard hat and truffle. So in the hard hat one I did narrow it down to one issue. After that, I don't know if there'd be another set of issues, but it was narrowed down to one issue. So I'm kind of one issue off on both of these contracts being fully, you know, moved over, if you like, into mine, and then I can concentrate on bringing all of the other ones that have been made. Yeah, and then obviously you can see you can do your NFTs in this one too. There's an NFT somewhere. Farms trading. Yeah. Anyway, it's pretty cool stuff. Should give it a go. Just clone some of this. Clone the front end and clone. I cloned lottery. Basically, just clone that into its own folder. I went with this one. I did npm install. Then I did only after the npm run test, and all works fine. You know, it gets deployed. You can deploy it quite easily, and it works with the lottery and the NFT lottery contracts. So contracts in there, you can see it does an lottery NFT, and so on. I haven't got through initially going through any of these to see if there's, which I don't think there would in here, but you know, some of them might require some sort of slight tweaking for you know, a different name. But so far I think I've found most of those contract addresses in this program, and it's really just about porting them over, and I think that's what you're doing, eh? Yeah, anyway, cool. Today seems to be, well, moving forward. That's good.